me ask you a quick question. Which technology is emerging as the essential cure for AI amnesia or forgetfulness? Building larger neural networks with trillions more parameters? The humble database acting as an external brain or memory layer? A new class of agentic systems that nobody truly understands yet? Extremely sophisticated prompt engineering that tricks the AI into remembering. Think about your answer. Lock it in. We are going to come back to this at the end. The future of AI that can remember, learn, and collaborate with us is here. And it all comes down to memory. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the alert button. That way, when I release more videos and more tips like this, you will get notified. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free and discount access to my video courses. AI memory types. So, let's be honest. You've probably had a conversation with an AI and felt like you are talking to a goldfish. You have to repeat yourself constantly and it forgets the context of your conversation the moment you start a new one. Frustrating, right? But what if I told you that this is all changing? And the solution is far more elegant than just throwing more processing power at the problem. The future of an AI that can remember, learn, and truly collaborate with us is here. And it all comes down to memory. Not just one type of memory, but a whole hierarchy of interconnected memory systems just like your own brains. You see, for an AI to be truly useful, it needs to have a memory that's as sophisticated as its intelligence. It needs to remember who you are, what you have talked about before, and what your goals are. It needs to learn from its experiences and get smarter over time. The key to unlocking this potential lies in multi-layered approach to AI memory, as you can see in the diagram. Let's break it down. Primary memory. It's the AI working brain. Think of primary memory as the AI's conscious mind. The stuff it's thinking about right now. It's divided into three key areas. Short-term memory. This is the AI's context window. It's immediate recall of the current conversation. It's what allows the AI to follow the thread of a conversation and respond coherently. But this memory is fleeting, like a scribble on a whiteboard that gets erased after each conversation. Long-term memory. This is where things get interesting. This is the AI's persistent storage. It's knowledge base. It's where the AI stores information that it needs to remember across conversations. This is where the AI starts to feel less like a goldfish and more like a partner. External memory. Now, this is the game changer. External memory is where the AI can connect to databases and vector stores, giving it access to vast amount of information beyond the initial training. This is the AI's external brain, and it's the key to curing AI amnesia. Secondary memory. It's the AI's soul. If primary memory is the AI's brain, the secondary memory is its soul. This is where the AI develops its personality, its skills, and its understanding of the world. It's where the AI becomes more than just a tool and starts to feel like a true collaborator. Here is a peek into the different types of secondary memory. Persona memory. This is what gives the AI its identity and personality. It's the difference between a generic chatbot and an AI that feels like a real person. Toolbox memory. This is the AI skill set. It's where the AI stores its knowledge of different tools and how to use them. Entity memory. This is the AI's understanding of the world. It's where the AI stores facts and information about people, places, and things. Conversation memory. This is the AI's memory of past conversations. It's what allows the AI to remember what you've talked about before you pick up where you left off. Episodic memory. This is the AI's memory of specific events and past experiences. It's what allows the AI to learn from its mistakes and get better over time. Agent Registry. This is where the AI keeps track of other AIs and their capabilities. It's the foundation for multi-agent systems where AIs can collaborate to solve complex problems. Workflow Memory. This is the AI's ability to handle multi-step tasks and complex projects. It's what allows the AI to break down a big goal into smaller, manageable steps. And that brings us right back to the question from the beginning. Which technology is emerging as the essential cure for AI amnesia? The correct answer is B. Databases, specifically vector databases that power Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, are the foundational technology giving AI a persistent long-term memory. They allow the AI to look beyond the initial training and immediate conversation, effectively creating the external brain needed for true memory and forming the backbone to the next generation of powerful AI agent. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and I will see you in the next one. If you are excited to diving deeper into the world of modern software engineering from architecture to cloud and security, check out my video courses where I explore these concepts further and tackle real-world challenges. The link to the courses is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free and discount access to my video courses.